Week 1, how to become a court interpreter and a brief sketch of the work. The purpose of this course is to help you gain a better understanding of the practical aspects of legal interpreting. As such, each week you'll be dealing with a different dynamic of this profession. The assignments and projects to some degree will build upon each other. It'll be very helpful for you to keep up so that you will not be lost during the process. Also, if you have time, you actually may want to work ahead. That way you will know how something you are doing now fits into something you may be doing later. Also, you may need to make an appointment or schedule a time to do some of the later assignments. Word to the wise, look ahead and plan accordingly. I'll be expecting you to keep a journal and write something related to each week's topic. You will include this in the discussion forum for class participation. A scripture search for something related to the weekly topic will be part of your assignment. Also, you will need to find a YouTube related to the weekly topic as well. After watching it, write a review and an evaluation. There will be a project each week which you are expected to complete and post as indicated. This week's project is to list your expectations for the course. Find a book on legal interpreting or read a chapter in Fundamentals of Court Interpreting, Theory, Policy, and Practice, 2nd edition by Roseanne Gonzalez, Victoria Vasquez, and Holly Mickelson. Write a brief 3 to 5 page summary of the book or chapter and an evaluation. If you know a book, add it to the bibliography. This will be due at the end of the course. Each week, you'll be able to add questions to the question board. You'll get bonus points for each question submitted. If your question is chosen for the final exam, you'll get double bonus points. Remember, by the end of the course, you will be expected to have developed a lexicon or glossary where you list the words and corresponding words in your chosen language. Since the title of the course is Practice in Legal Interpreting, you'll be expected to garner practical experience, learning real judicial terminology, dealing with actual court documents, and knowing what to expect once you become a court interpreter. The introductory chapter of the book lays out what it means to be an interpreter in the legal arena and gives you a general sketch of what is involved in this kind of work. But you can only teach so much in a theoretical setting like this. You have to experience it, see it for yourself, for it to really sink in and make a difference. One of the first things you're going to discover is that although you may speak English and another language fluently, you do not speak legalese in either of these languages. Furthermore, learning the legal terms in one doesn't mean that you understand or know the legal terms in the other. Over the course of the weeks, I'll be encouraging you to build a lexicon of words you discover. This will be invaluable once you begin working. Although there are commercial ones available, and you can even download other people's, you will soon discover that the legal language spoken in your particular place may not be the one in these volumes. Therefore, it will be very helpful to build your own as you go along. The following are things which we will highlight but due to the generic nature of this course, we will not be able to dig into deeply. Identification of the origins of judiciary terminology. Site translation, focusing on court and law enforcement document. Lexicographical training in locating, understanding, and using frequently used legal terminology in judicial settings. Practice in sight translating the following types of judicial documents: trial information and indictments, waivers of detention hearing, plea agreements, and pre-sentencing reports. It'll be incumbent on you to expand your knowledge of each of these well beyond the ability of this course if you are to truly be a great legal interpreter. Although this course is full of information, relax. If you're uptight, you won't learn much. Take your time and enjoy what you're learning.